If you go on a date.
Snowflakes falling in scattered sync. I watch and ponder the mini clouds descend. Each crystal helps my writer's block mend. I rest at the edge of the river. I listen to the watercourse. The fish swim by. They catch my eye, invigorating my creative force. I hike on the mountainside, each stride a healing step. I reach the summit, I see the view, and I suddenly know what's next. I stand in the sand, looking at the edge of the world. The light sets slow and low. The sun looks like a pearl. As the source dissipates, the darkness slowly arrives, and every atom at my core, in an instant, comes alive. Nature is a tool, but it's part of us as well. Connect with it. Sit enthralled anytime things get stale. It can lead you to answers you've never thought of before. So go outside, touch some grass, see what it has in store.